It's a beautiful morning in Abu Dhabi, and I want to start this morning showing you $500,000. Look at this screenshot here. You see the screenshot? This is $500,000 earned by these beautiful affiliates. A lot of them are complete beginners and they are from all over the world. They have zero experience, zero technical knowledge, zero website, no hosting server. A lot of them have no mailing list and no social following. If they can earn $294,104 in affiliate commissions, almost passive affiliate commissions, then you can do it too. And in this video, I'm going to share step by step how to do it. So stay tuned. And I'm going to answer the questions of a lot of people. They ask, why the income is low, why the debts are high, why the credit score is going poorer and poorer, while the prices of stuff, gas, food, rents, mortgages, the whole living cost is going higher and higher on them. But before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. The only one way we can achieve that is with your help. All we want from you is a like and a share with your friends, family, social media contacts, SMS, email, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts, and everyone you know. Share this video with everyone you think who need to learn how to make money online. This way you help us help others, and you help others and your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money. Thousands of others make money and you can do it too. Go ahead, like and share with everyone. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. Go ahead. Done? Let's begin. I'm gonna tell you in details shortly, but the shortcut answer is we only look at ourselves. And we only focus on what we want, while these wonderful people looked at all these people. These affiliates answered the questions of these people, and that's why all these customers paid us this money. So the secret to all this money you see here are these customers. Now the question is, where do I get these customers? And how do I make money from them? What do I sell them? Maybe you're asking, you have never sold anything in your life. And that's totally okay, because we don't really do the selling here. We simply motivate people. So let me show you. Before we show you the motivation, let me tell you how we motivate people. We simply make videos. But unlike this channel, we don't speak on the camera using microphone, and we don't record ourselves. On our 20 plus other channels, we simply use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it first. Should I wait for you for a second? No? You're done? Okay, let's move on. Epic writes the scripts of the videos for us, so we don't need to write any script. Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, so we don't have to speak or record our voice. And Epic makes videos using image, links, and text. And on top of that, Epic allows us to make videos, tiny size videos, then compile them into one long video, any length video. Then we publish those videos on YouTube from inside Epic, and YouTube sends us all these customers. And in a lot of cases, we simply make 1 minute long short videos that YouTube love at the moment, and for that we need just 3 to 5 minutes of our time. And in this video, you're going to get the whole strategy 100%. Epic will take 99% of the workload from you. It will total cost 3 to 5 minutes of your times per session, and that's it. You see the money. So I'm on YouTube now, and I searched with 2 words: fitness, motivation. I love fitness. At 42 years age, I do bodybuilding. I'm not a big bodybuilder, but I'm a passionate bodybuilder. And I know that bodybuilders need motivation. Without motivation, it's really hard to keep pushing. So a lot of people, just like me, come to YouTube every single day and look for motivation. And that's why look at this. Fitness motivation has 523,000 searches per month on YouTube alone. So 523,000 customers are looking for fitness motivation on YouTube every single month. You see that? This affiliate here made $59,000 in commissions from 29,000 customers. How much money can you make from 523,000 customers? Now, Mosh, I have no idea how these videos are made and what to do with them. You know what these channels are? Most of the videos you see, these are the videos of other channels on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. These guys, these channels, they collected small, tiny video clips from other channels using some downloader or editor freely available online, and then just compiled them, added a background music, boom, uploaded, and see the number of views. 752,000 views, 230,000 views, 17,000 views, 1.6 million views. Wow, this sounds so easy. 7 million views? It looks so easy. You should simply go download Epic, start getting other people's videos, put them on Epic, compile them together, and just upload on YouTube, and the next morning you're a millionaire, right? No, this is wrong. Yes, a lot of people are doing it. And yes, a lot of people are getting away with it. But this is unethical and unacceptable. I will never ask you to do this. I have even asked a couple of experts that I know and I respect. They also answered, that's a no-no. So what can you do? We have a live example right here. Live Fit Motivation channel. I'm not affiliated to this. I don't even know about the creators, but I highly respect what they're doing. As far as I have seen, they haven't used clips from any other channels or from any other famous influencers. You can go ahead, look at their videos, take inspiration how they did it, and you can do it yourself. But if they have also done anything wrong, that's also not recommended. This channel has got 92 million views. 1 million views equals approximately $3,000 to $5,000 from AdSense alone. So we can say they made around $300,000 from this channel. Maybe $600,000. That's very close to $500,000 from AdSense alone. Not even affiliate marketing yet. So before we go to affiliate marketing, how can you do it? Number one, we use story blocks for our videos. Once you sign up, all the videos you can use commercially, personally, and just download these videos, compile them using Epic, just put them one by one and add a background music. One push, the video will be ready. Upload them on YouTube and your job is done. But I personally like another website. Again, I'm not affiliated to this. It's called artgrid.io. They have better color graded footages. See these beautiful colors? Kinda like Netflix, right? Now for background music, you can also use artlist.io. We personally use artlist.io. It's very good, super awesome. Artgrid and Artlist gives you the rights to download the media files, and they are yours, and they are yours forever. You keep using them, use them any amount of time you want. Again, you don't need any editor. Just upload them on Epic. Epic will take care of the rest. Now, how to do affiliate marketing? Step number one, go to Amazon and look for gym, fitness, health, and you will find hundreds of thousands of high rating products. Like this bench, it's $100 product, so it has a good commission. Look at this, 8,497 positive feedback and 4.6 out of 5 rating. This is a great product to promote. You will find hundreds of products to promote here. Then my next most favorite place is ClickBank, of course. And look at some commissions as well. Wow, I don't know where they're coming from. No, they're from some video. Now go to the marketplace and search with weight loss, and you'll find good weight loss offers. Like this one particularly, affiliates are earning $42 per sale, which is very good. Our affiliates are making $33 per sale on average, and here you're making much more than that, so it's very good. Another one is $17.23. Another one here, $31, $29. So there are lots of high converting products to promote. How do you promote? Look at how others are doing. This is exactly what we do, our affiliates do. Inside video, you should mention and instruct your viewers if they need solutions for certain problems or they are looking for certain products, then the links are in the description. So leave those links in the description. Now here, they did not leave any affiliate link. They simply left the links to other videos and they're promoting their Instagram and Facebook channels. You can do what you want to do. A lot of our affiliates simply promote their opt-in page to get opt-ins. A lot of them give away downloads. A lot of them give away softwares. A lot of them simply directly leave affiliate link. The choice is yours. Finally, the secret, the shorts. Look at this, let me search with fitness motivation. And I searched on YouTube without even knowing what I'm gonna see, and look at this. I'm gonna go down, and I found shorts feed. The first video has 164,000 views. The second one, 21 million views. I can go on and on. Hundreds of thousands of views on the 1 minute long short videos. This is exactly what we do, our affiliates do, and you can see the results. Simply use Epic from the link in the description. Put these beautiful videos together, make 1 minute long videos, add a motivational, royalty-free background music, and upload them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Drop your affiliate links of Amazon or ClickBank in the description, in the first comment, and in the bio. Ask your viewers to click in your links if they want to buy something. They will click your links and you will make simple affiliate commissions. It's that simple. This is how it works. So instead of thinking, why it's not happening to me? Why am I not making money? Think about how to motivate all these people who are looking for motivation. These people will love your content. They will follow you, they will click your links, and they will make you money.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, and we cannot do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts. And this way you help us help others learn how to make money online, and you help others, your friends and family, get a better life. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, thousands of others make money, and you can do it too. So go ahead, like and share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.